Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the $1,000,000 Challenge. So it's a beautiful day today and we're outside and I want to show you and introduce you to car number 4. This is the 4th car that I'm going to add to my Turo fleet this year, and I just want to do a quick walk around. You guys know it's Mr. Transparency on this channel, on the road to $1,000,000 net worth. That's why this channel is called $1,000,000 Challenge. Anyways, let's get into the car. This is a 2020 Ford Fusion. So it's a more luxury version of Ford. And I really like the car. This is going to make a lot of money on Turo. Cars like this in my area goes for anywhere from 60 to 65 every day. So this is pretty much a brand new car and it's a really nice one. You guys see the wheels, tires are all nice and brand new. 17,000 miles on this one. It's basically new. I'm sure it was the previous owner was probably a rental company, but yeah, this car is pretty much new. Let's see. So I'm happy to announce we've added car number 4 to the Turo family, and yeah, we'll be pushing on and trying to get this money, baby. So this is the front side of the car. Let's take a quick look at the inside. Show you how this bad boy looks, what it looks like. Look at this. This is a money shot right here. Money shot. Pretty much new. Nice and new. Very spacious in here. Look at this much space. This is a luxury car basically, but you know, Ford luxury car, so it's not going to be going for $200-300 because it wouldn't, but it can go for 60 a day, 65 a day. For those people that have a family, look at the trunk space. Lots of space in the trunk. Lots of space in the trunk. Very clean. I got this for it. This is going to be my first car into somewhat luxury. You know, it's somewhat luxury. It's not full luxury. Very nice. So quick, let me take you guys through the engine real quick. You guys can see it's very brand new. Pretty much this is a 2022. I mean, this is 2020, so it's 2 years old car. You know, everything still looks very nice. It drives well, functions well. You know, everything looks great in there. And yeah, we are looking good on this side, you know. We're looking good. So let's take a quick look at the tires real quick. Everything looks good. Grip is still there. Tire number 2. Everything looks good. Grip is still nice up there. Tire number 3. We look good on this side. We're good on this side. And finally, tire number 4. We look good on this side as well. So yeah, the car is in great condition. The car looks good and I really like it. Looking forward to putting this out there, let it make some money, and you know, still keep on working on the $1 million challenge. This is part of the process. I thought I'd share this with you. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.